I can do anything. Yeah. Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I said welcome back to my channel. One more. Welcome back to my channel. Hey girl. So as you can see, my setup is a little bit different today. You know, I'm trying to be a little, you know, fit in with the fit in. But you know, I put up these little cheap like $3 lights, you know, just to give me that Halloween vibe going. I got some pumpkins to my left and some ghosts to my right. I don't know why they're not lighting up white and they're doing blue, but I didn't make them, so I don't care. But you know, I got a little bit of something going on, whatever. Hope y'all like my hair. I'm going to be posting a video on that soon. I already filmed it. I filmed it right before this one. So I'm going to stop all this talking and we're going to get right into the video. So basically, before I get into the video real quick, I'm going to let you guys know that I'm doing a bunny. I'm doing it a little bit different than my last year bunny. I'll insert some pictures. But yeah, that was the bunny that I did of 2017 Halloween, and I don't know what happened to my ears in my costume or whatever, but it's MIA. So I think someone stole it because it's not in the last spot I left it, but that's besides the point. I got me a new set and I'm going to kind of revamp my little bunny. So I did one last year and I'm going to be doing another one now, you know, with a little bit of extra Shazam on it. I don't know what that means. But anyway, if you would like to see how I create this glittered stitched bunny, then keep watching. This lighting looks kind of good. Like I got this extra ring light, so now I'm kind of like, okay, I'm working with it or whatever. But yeah, anyway, I'm not gonna do too much talking. This is probably just gonna be like a speed through, like watch me. And I'll list everything in the description box. And yeah, just enjoy this video. It's a quick last minute Halloween idea. And if you got 3 days to do it, then, or 2. How many days? What's today? The 29th? Oh, well, if you got some hours to do it, then this one's for you if you know how to do your makeup real fast. But anyway, I'm gonna stop talking and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Like my nigga Mo. Shaq West got so much flow. Oh, fuck. Shit. Bitch. Yes, Shaq West said I'm getting really rich.
Get out my lane, that can be pain. Took out the brain, I'm at the flame. Baby, I don't even know your name. I've been trying to tell about it at work.
I'm just about to, like, you know, just show y'all like, boop, this is next. And you know, whatever, because I can get carried away by talking through my videos. So this is why I feel like I do voiceovers, because I just be going on and I be wanting to put everything that I'm saying in my videos. So today's just going to be a watch me do this. I'll show y'all the products that I use as I'm using them. If I forget something, I'll just have it in the description box, and you know, we're gonna work it like that. So yeah, we're gonna get into the video now and I'll see y'all at the end.
My bitches all bad, my niggas all real. I ride his dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills, run out flip like 10 car wheels. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is up. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is up. I got pants in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is the. Damn, fucking past the mirror. Ooh, damn, I'm fine. Credit made you upset. Credit got rich, they upset.
Oh, baby.
Dripping, rain, ripping, I'm doing 180. Now I used to be pimping, but how can I say this?
And I hope you bloom. And I hope you, yeah.
And that's it. I probably should have wiped around the where I'm doing this at. I think I did that in my first video. I wiped off my foundation, but you know, we're already here now, so as long as it looks white on camera for the most part. And this is last minute, so it really doesn't even matter. As long as you understand that it's a bunny, and that's all that matters. Go big or go home. Because it looks a little tan. But it's okay because there's brown bunnies out there anyway. So this can be a tan bunny because I'm brown. You know, I might even just not even do too much of this white because... Or she can have some fur, some white fur accents, you know. I think that's what we're going to do. So she's a brown bunny. Ooh, this is cute with some tan fur. So I'm just gonna take some NYX eyeliner and just create some hairs. And to be honest, if you're doing this last minute, you're probably gonna be making these mistakes. So all you have to do is just take a Q-tip and fix it. Go over your eyebrow with your pomade and she's good as new. Don't freak out if you mess up because everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. So you see, like, nothing to cry over. This is probably why I was a bunny last year, because honestly, sis, I don't think I knew what I wanted to be either. It's fur. Play a little. Not too much, because you're going to get some on your nose. If you only have 20 minutes to get yourself together, then, girl, you might as well do this one. But we're not done yet, because if you know me, when I start saying that, y'all should know what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, let me highlight myself before I forget, because girl, she be forgetting all the time. That's not what I was about to say though, about if you know me. I mean, highlight is one of my favorite parts of makeup, but that's not what I was talking about. My bad. I think it's easier to have a makeup tutorial where it's not in order because I would drive myself crazy. So now I don't even care. I just do whatever I feel like doing next. So what I'm gonna do next is, if you know me, you already know I'm extra. We're gonna get it popping. I ain't even gonna tell you what it is because you should already know. If you don't know, then you need to watch some more of my videos. Oh my God. Oh my God. But this is so cute. Like, I love glitter. So that's my glitter. And we're not done yet. We're just getting started. I'm just kidding. We almost done. The next and final thing is, you already know what the thumbnail looks like. What are you doing? You'll see, you'll see. She looks stitched. You know what's funny? I sometimes like going outside when I have on makeup, because I know people are gonna be like, oh my God, I love your makeup. And I'm just like, oh, okay, cool, thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do this all the time. Yesterday when I filmed my music artist inspired makeup, stay tuned for that because it's drippy, okay? When I filmed that, I went to get something to eat because I was hungry, and I'm hungry now, so I'm definitely going to be going out there and get something to eat. But when I was getting my food, the girl was like, oh my gosh, I love your makeup. I was like, thanks girl, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, I have business cards that I made for my channel. You see these hanging around, just know it's me. Yeah, I just hand these cards out to people. I've been doing this for like over a year, and yeah, that's how people know who I am. I guess I gotta put on my lashes just to finish up the video and all to be back. I am now bringing you the glittered and stitched bunny. I'm gonna give you a couple slow-mos. You know how I do. I don't ever disappoint with that. So without further ado, let's get into the slow-mos, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot.
So guys, this is the finished look. Are you feeling it? Because I am. So I went ahead and put some glitter on my eyes, glitter on my nose, glitter on my top lip because I'm extra. One thing about me, if you don't know, I'm extra. And the ears have glitter. So I haven't posted anything like this on my channel yet. Today's the first day. I was a bunny last year and something happened with my bunny ears and outfit, so that's besides the point. We're a new and improved bunny this year and she's slaying harder than last year anyways, so that don't even matter. But yes, this came out really nice. I really hope you guys like it. Like, it's really cute. Like, it's so cute. So yeah, this is gonna be my only Halloween video. The other one was just from inspiration, but this was me since I was a bunny last year, so I'm just doing this again, revamped. And yeah, one video from me for Halloween. I really wish I could have done more, but anyway, it came out really nice. I'm really happy with how it looks. It looks so cute, so polished, and this only took like 30 minutes. I'm lying, but that's only because I filmed. If you need something quick, you can actually skip the glitter and the stitches and just do the bunny face, and that'll take like 20 minutes, if that. So yeah, if you want to be extra like me and, you know, slay a party, I mean, you might just want to go ahead and put some stitches and glitter on, because like always, I'm hungry, so I have to go out and give me some food. Like, yep, I'm going to a Halloween party. What time is it? It's 4:35 and I'm already ready. Dang, it's too early to be going out. It don't matter, it's Halloween. It's Halloween week. So it don't even matter if I go out like this. Halloween is in 2 days. You cannot judge me. Anyway, so this look turned out really good today and I'm impressed because I've been rusty. Y'all know I've been rusty for a minute. I haven't done any makeup since August, and I actually filmed another video yesterday, but I'm gonna post that later. And these two looks are really good. Like, this, it looks better in person. So if you saw me in person, you'd be like, oh my gosh. But this look and the look that I'm posting later, hopefully next week, is fire. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. I'm coming to slay. I have hair videos, I have makeup videos. I am ready. If you haven't gone to check out my hair video, it's not posted yet, but when it gets posted, I'm just gonna leave it above. I think I got my motivation back, y'all. Once you do a good look, you just like, you know what, I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna push myself to continue this slayage, because give me a thumbs up if you think she's cute. Give me a thumbs up if you wanna do it. Comment below what you want to see next year, so I can, you know, be ready to do it, because this is cute. And follow me on Instagram, because if you want to see anything before it gets posted on YouTube, you have to follow me on Instagram. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys subscribe to my channel. It's best you subscribe now and get on the train now than try to get on the train later. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, girlfriend like my drip. Happy birthday to that bitch.